Bridesmaids proposals. I can't say I do without you. Will you be my bridesmaid? I feel like that's the vibe for the wedding. I think it's gonna be fun.
My junior bridesmaid?
Yeah. This is the first documentation of wedding planning. What are we doing today, you may ask? Well, I'm glad you asked. Let me show you. We are putting together bridesmaids proposals. So I've got these boxes, a bunch of these PJs that I actually got from an Etsy shop. And they're from SS Weddings. I made these cards off of Canva and I printed them out on cardstock for each of my bridesmaids. This one says maid of honor because it's Abigail's. These all say everyone's name. I can't say I do without you. Will you be my bridesmaid? I'm going to tape that on the back of this so that when they open it, that's what they see. And then on the inside is going to be their PJs folded up really cutely. I got these sage green scrunchies. I just thought they'd be cute and like a little addition, and they match the greenery on the proposal. And then I got these really cute like name tags that I'm gonna like write everyone's name on really cute and then close them with that. It also comes with this, like these little white ribbons that I might use. But in addition to the white ribbon, I think I'm gonna write everyone's name on a name card, tie it on there with twine. This is Abigail's card. It says, Abigail, I can't say I do without you. Will you be my maid of honor? I'm gonna put that right there. Perfect. I was gonna do something fancy with like glue dots, but I don't have time for that. It's kind of bugging me that there's like a difference in the color of the paper and the board. I don't think it matters all that much. And I'm gonna find a way to very nicely place her PJs in here. I believe I got her a small. I'm gonna just keep it exactly how they have it folded in here. And then we will add a scrunchie. It's these little bow scrunchies that will leave like a little tie when you use it. And they're silk or satin, so it's like healthier for your hair. And the ribbon, I'm gonna tie a cutesy little bow. Okay, that's cute, and I could just snip this to be the appropriate length. I got my kitchen scissors. And I need to write her name on one of these. I don't know if I should do like just their name or like a cute little message on here as well. Okay, this was like my first try, so I'm kind of shocked that it looks good, but it just says Abigail. I feel like the twine and the ribbon is like so, I feel like that's kind of what the vibe for the wedding is, because it's like elegant but it's also in a barn dominium. Just to keep us all on the same page, I did not add a small message to it. I'm just gonna put her name. This is what it looks like. So I think I'm gonna meet with like each of them individually, obviously with the exception of Canvas because they live in California. But on Canvas's it says, Canvas, I can't say I do without you. Will you be my junior bridesmaid? Not that that's any different, she's just 10. What they're all gonna look like.
And she's filming.
I'm filming. We are going to dinner because the lighting is kind of dark on this.
At the fanciest restaurant, the best restaurant in town.
Buffalo Wild Wings. We're going to dinner with two of my stepsisters, Sydney and Sierra, and then my littlest sister, Canvas. They're gonna be there, and I'm gonna ask them to be my bridesmaids tonight. So I have the proposals in this bag. Gotta come up with a little game plan to like discreetly record it. Okay, just be prepared for me to pop in a few times during this video because despite my planning, not everything went as planned. Anyways, this night I had to ask Canvas separately because she actually didn't end up going to dinner with us. So we went to Froyo after. I asked her and I told her it was her late birthday present.
I thought this was my present, getting to see you guys.
No, you have to read this.
Canvas, I can't say. My junior bridesmaid?
Yeah.
Yeah!
And these are PJs that you'll wear the morning of. We could wear them the night before and then you'll wear the morning of, but they might be a little big.
Yeah, maybe. I love it.
Good. We are en route. Ryan's listening to a podcast. So today we are asking 3 of my sisters to be my bridesmaids. I'm so excited. We are on our way to our wedding venue. We're asking my sister Kylie, my sister Mackenzie, and my sister Madison. It's just me again, but I just wanted to say these 3 sisters of mine already knew that they were going to be bridesmaids just because it was an early expectation. So they don't really seem the most excited. That's because they already knew, but I still wanted to do the gesture of asking them. Also, you gotta love it when your mom holds your camera because she totally covered the microphone. So I'm sorry for the muffled sounds. Open them up. This is what they look like because the people haven't seen.
Kylie would definitely be asking for these. You can take all the stuff out, but I want
I promise this is the last time I'm interrupting this video, but I noticed I didn't get the chance to explain how I asked Abigail to be my maid of honor. Abigail's birthday is in August, and if I'm correct, I believe this was filmed in late August, so it was not abnormal of me to be giving her a gift, and I don't think she was expecting it to be a maid of honor proposal, so I think I kind of caught her off guard. Again, I just told her it was a late birthday present, similar to what I did with Canvas. I wrote a happy note. Don't cry. Happy birthday. Stop, don't cry. You're gonna make me get emotional. I got you some PJs. Cute. Hopefully it fits. It looks kind of big. Yeah, right. And we'll have matching PJs. We can get pictures.
What does it say?
I can't say I do without you. Would you be my maid of honor? I would have thought you saw it coming, like from a mile away. I never closed out this video, so I just wanted to pop in and say thank you for watching. Everyone said yes. My 3 sisters on my mom's side already knew that they were gonna be bridesmaids, so their reaction seemed like a little dry. It's because they expected it, but I still wanted to like do the gesture of asking them. So that was the video of me proposing to my bridesmaids and my maid of honor. If you like this video, more wedding content is to follow, so stay tuned. Maybe subscribe. If you have any questions about where I got anything, I'm gonna try to link them all down below if you're interested in looking at them, so check the description box. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. I love you, you're valued, and you're so precious. Bye.